when people think of charitable planning, usually they'll think of a couple of things. Perhaps they'll think that they're not really a candidate for charitable planning because they don't have the net worth that justifies things like a foundation or these kinds of things. And the second thing they think of is, well, you know, I can support charities while I'm alive just by writing a check and supporting causes that I believe in. So this is kind of the traditional thoughts that people have about charity. Well, in the 21st century, we have been able to bring the charitable planning tools that used to be available only to the super rich. We've brought it now to the middle class. And when I say we, I mean as a society, that we have made available now the tools for charitable planning to the middle class that used to not be available unless you had a lot of money. And one of those tools is called a donor-advised fund. This is essentially your family foundation. It's like the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. It's your family foundation, but you don't have to pay an attorney thousands of dollars to set it up. It's pretty much free to set up with most organizations that will sponsor these. And then you can fund it at will during your lifetime. But when you transfer money to your donor-advised fund or to this family foundation, you and your family retain control over the money. So you still get the deduction, but you retain control over the money, and you don't have to write a check to the hospital or to the church or to the Boy Scouts if you don't want to this year. There's no mandatory distribution requirement like there is with other tools like the private foundation. So we have this tool available that you can fund, you can get deductions from it, and then it's there, and your children can control this donor-advised fund even after you're gone and make grants to organizations that you support. So the organizations that sponsor these donor-advised funds will charge a management fee of 1 to 2% of the assets annually typically, but they take care of all of the compliance. So tax returns, audits, bookkeeping, all of that, they take care of everything for you. So it's almost a fire and forget option now that you have available to you if you're interested in charitable planning, and you can talk to a qualified attorney about donor-advised funds and whether or not it's the right tool for you.